Hello guys, my name is Jessica Nicole Esrazon, and we are going to talk about the importance of photography in question document examination. First is we are doing a normal light with a ruler as a scale beside the document. As I've said, um, in the first task is we have to put a ruler beside the document. Let's just pretend that this notebook is a question document, and we are going to photograph it with a normal light. So let's photograph. The next step is low angle lighting to highlight a indentation or other hidden features. So we have to put we have to have a flashlight to um, to highlight or see the hidden features of the writings. So as you can see that there is no writings here in a blank space of a notebook. But if we are going to use a flashlight and put it beside or in a low angle, we are we are able to see those hidden features that we don't see in our naked eye. So here is a sample. As you can see that you we are able to see those written or hidden features of this what do you call this notebook. So after the document photography, we're going to proceed in the document enlargement and annotation. The first step is enlarge the captured photograph using photo editing software or printing tools. So here a sample. So as you can see, using a phone, we can enlarge a photograph or a document. So we are going to enlarge. So as you can see, um, on our on the enlargement, uh, the the letters or the numbers are more visible. So here in next video is we are going to talk about the observation. So my observation here in the uh, photography of a documentation is, as you can see, we photograph the the QD, which is this one. This is the sample, and as you can see there, that the first letter and the second letter and the other letters are not aligned or not um, not aligned in the uh, first line, or like this one, this last or second to the last letter, which is the T, or the first letter of the transmitted, is aligned in the ruler. So here sometimes this kind of handwriting is based on a fast handwriting and a slow handwriting. My handwriting here is quite fast. That's why um, my letters are not aligned to each other. So in the second video, we tackled about the enlargement of a photograph or a question document rather. Uh, Using a phone, this is the normal normal photograph of a question document. But if we enlarge the QD or the photograph, as you can see that the other letters are aligned, but the others are not. Like here in the letter P is some other P's are more straight line, but here is quite slant, or there's like a zigzag. And like this one, there are an AG or a image rather. The A and G are aligned to each other.